got some snow. A few inches has came down since last night. Probably got about, I'd say, 2 inches or so. It's fluffy, which is good. It's not heavy. So what I'm gonna do this morning is the team will come out later since it's still snowing. Probably when it ends tonight. It's supposed to end at like 5 or at 11 p.m. tonight, midnight. So we'll probably go out around midnight or so to do the fall cleanup. But in the morning here, it is Friday, and we're supposed to get I think 8 to 12 inches. And so I'm gonna try to keep up with just the plow. Since I am here in town, normally the team would take care of this whole thing, but since I'm in town, I'll try to keep up with it in the morning. We don't have much account, but it only takes one person during the day to keep up with the accounts. And then we have about three people to do the fall cleanup. And so that is the plan for today. And yeah, a lot of snow. Grab GoPro, and then I'm gonna go get some snow removal done, you guys. Alright guys, so got that part, got our parking lot done. Main one here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get the radio station. Yeah. It is coming down, you guys. It is. I feel like it's gonna be wet heavy this afternoon, and then it's gonna freeze. You know, like underneath, I can see it already, you guys. It's like melting. Alright, let's go to the radio station, see how that is.
Good. Do you think I'll make it to Sherburne, or should I cancel?
Like, as of now, you might, but I don't know what's going to happen.
I just wonder how her road is, because that gravel road, like, do they even clear it?
Yeah, it's up to you. when it's like this, when I'm not here,